Good afternoon, readers. Today we're going to read a fiction story. You might recall that fiction is a story that is not real. It has characters and a setting. Today, the story we're going to read is called Reading Adventure by Guy Belleranti. Claire slept over at Anna's. Anna picked up her stuffed bear. Let's read Bear a story. She loves books, and reading to her makes me a better reader. Claire shrugged. Sure, she said. I like reading. She looked on Anna's bookshelf and picked out a book. This looks like fun. Great choice, Anna said. That's Bear's favorite. You read a few pages and then I'll read a few. The story had animal characters, including a bear. Twice, Claire thought she saw Bear smiling. She blinked. Your turn, Anna, Claire said. Anna took the book. Claire couldn't believe it. Now the animals in the book were dancing, and Anna's bear was dancing too. Look, Claire whispered, pointing. Anna smiled. I told you she loved the book. Let's dance with her. Claire stood up and followed Anna and Bear's dance steps. Suddenly, they were in the book's pages, becoming a part of the story. They skipped on sidewalks, jumped on grass, and twirled under trees. Then, as the sun began to set, they all leaped out of the book and back into Anna's room. That's the best book I've ever read, Claire said. It's like we were really there. We were, Anna said. Reading takes you on all kinds of adventures. Let's read another book and have another adventure, Claire said. Now we're going to answer some questions about the story. Why does Anna want to read to Bear? She is bored. She has a new book. It makes her a better reader, or it's bedtime. Why does Claire think what she sees when she begins to read the book? What does Claire think when she sees when she begins to read the book? You're going to write a sentence to tell me, what does Claire think she sees? What does Bear do when Anna takes a turn to read? Bear begins to talk. Bear begins to dance. Bear begins to laugh. Bear begins to snore. Describe what happens when Claire and Anna begin to follow Bear's steps. What happens after that? How do Claire and Anna feel at the end of the story? Circle the best choice from the box below. Confused, excited, sleepy, or calm. Now you're going to do some word work. Fill in the missing letters to create words from the story. Then write the full word on the line. Be sure to spell each word correctly. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words for you. These words are also in the story. Underneath is a hint. Hints give you an idea about what the word could be. This one says, raise your shoulders to show you are okay with something. Shrugged. S-H-R-U-G-G-E-D. You will write the word on the line. Do the same thing for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On the last part of your story, it says, in the story Reading Adventure, Claire and Anna read a book to Anna's stuffed bear. By the end of the story, the girls feel as if they went on a great adventure. On the lines below, describe your favorite book or story. What kind of adventure do the characters have? Does reading your favorite book feel like going on a great adventure? Explain why or why not. That's your work for today. Enjoy